Hi ladies and gentlemen, it's Edgar and this is my YouTube channel. Bongo Forex videos, tutorials, you can call them webinars, whatever you like, but this is our exclusive market analysis for the 25th of November 2018. It's 2:51 p.m. here in United Kingdom, and you know what it is. It is Sunday, and I love Sundays because God is great. Now guys, remember this is educational purpose video, is not a signal providing service. Now you're gonna trade it on your own risk, but we're gonna look for key levels and opportunities in the market that are gonna help us to make the money. Now guys, now remember guys, without doing any further analysis, just remember guys, just to log in to Instagram and follow us, give us a big shout out, Bongo Forex, tag, comment, share, and just like your stuff, man. You're just doing a great job in our platforms. It's all for you guys, just for you guys, just to have the education you need to be able to make a passive income for yourself. Now this is our YouTube channel with 56 subscribers. We could do more guys. Please support us on our YouTube channel as well. Now this is our exclusive website called bongoforex.co.uk, where you can find all our contents, our offices, about us, homepage, everything, blogs, what we do, everything's organized here, and you can just get in there and buffet anything you want. Now guys, I'm gonna start right in with the dollar currency index. Now remember guys, fundamentally there isn't much stuff to talk about this week in particular, but what I can point out is the whatever's happening with US oil. God knows what that is, but it's crazy. US oil is doing crazy. Now today I'm going to exclusively start with the US oil because I know your attention is really low, your span of attention is really low. I'm going to start with the US oil. Now US oil is super interesting. We've seen a massive sell-off in the US oil. Now having a massive sell-off means there is a trend line. Now having a trend line means that you not buy the dips. We don't buy the dips at all. We just follow the trend line. We look for the swings. We look for the retracements, and from there we just enter for all the trades we do. Now US oil, what I see is I just keep on seeing a downward trend with the patterns, with a very predictable patterns that could give us really good, interesting levels to enter. Now having that said, is the way I see for this week is that the entry levels for US oil is gonna be at 53.26. If that's not gonna happen, the price might come up here 55.30, and I'm gonna look for a sell-off. Now a sell-off is inevitable for US oil until that is different. Until that does not happen, I'm gonna sell a US oil forever and forever. I don't know how the price is gonna be for the US, but I believe the US oil is gonna keep on falling down. Now jumping on to what we always do is dollar currency index. This is the mother of all currency indexes. It's the massive influencer of all prices movement in the forex market. Now people have a blind spot for this, but people don't understand how this influences the currency market. So the way it influences the currency market, it starts to influence the EURUSD, the GBPUSD, the Aussie dollar USD, the New Zealand USD, and the USDCAD, and all these major pairs subsequently affects the minor pairs. Now you're talking about minor pairs like Euro Japanese yen, Euro Aussie dollar, all that. So there's a combination and correlations and all that kind of nitty-gritty stuff that's happening in this financial markets that you need to understand fundamentally, not technically, fundamentally. Now I keep on preaching this time after time again, and I'm gonna have a private lesson for that. Now if you want to learn and understand that, you're welcome for coaching and mentoring of one-on-one with you. Now all that at the moment is free, you can just go into the website and request for that. Now looking at the dollar currency index this week, I see a very strong upward movement. I'm very optimistic with the price of the dollar currency index. I'm not afraid what's gonna happen next. Now I'm still on the bullish of the dollar currency index. Now I'm looking for buy opportunities at these levels of 96.42. If the price retraces and break this trend line, we potentially see bears coming in the market. Now we need to hope like if the price comes here and try to retest and keeps on going down, that's why we say the bearish are in. Now if the bearish are in, that means we go straight into the EURUSD and look for buying opportunities. Now the bears are not in yet. Now if there's gonna be a buy, there's high potential probability of the price to come and retrace at the November previous low here at 1.1317, and there might be probably a buying opportunity down there. Now for me as a trader, I always follow the trend. Now I'm saying following the trend, last week we had a really good call of USD up here, and we see the sell-off of this USD as it was a previous neckline, and the price keeps on going down. Now as a trader, I'm looking for another sell-off at that same level of 1.14506. Now if I put my risk reward meta and with the stop loss of around 1.1498, which was a previous high, I'm looking for a target of 2.8 risk reward ratio, which is what I like to trade, a minimum of 2 risk reward ratio. So having 2 risk reward ratio is a really good strategy mathematically as a trader to have. Jumping to GBPUSD. Oh, look at that trend line. Price keeps on respecting the levels, the trend line keeps on falling. Now we have 2 confluences here, probably a third one with a Fibonacci retracement if you draw it down there. Now we have a trend line going down, the price keeps on hitting this resistance line, pop, sell off, pop, sell off. This was a resistance line. This was a support line acting as a resistance line, as you can see up here. Now with that's first confluency, second confluence of this trend line, and a Fibonacci retracement of 60, 0.61 Fibonacci retracement ratio. We have very good sell-off coming through to GBPUSD. Now I suspect the price might come here, levels of 1.27500, and a probable buying opportunity. My traders might come in and try to buy, but for me as a trader, I'll follow the trend. I'll look for, oh yeah, this is quite interesting though. Like look at that. So we have 2 double bottoms. There's a high probability of the price to go up here to these levels. Now this is where I'm gonna look for my sell opportunity. Without further ado, I'd like to save your time. I like to run over to USDCAD. USDCAD is one of my best pairs to do because it's very, very dependable. Now if you look at the daily time frame here, you see a strong upward move of USDCAD, which gives us a very strong bullish bias, and hence we're going to look for bullish patterns in this pair. Now if you go to 4 hours, you see a very dependable patterns of the USDCAD. Now it gives us a very strong buying opportunity at this level of 1.32000. Now there's a very strong resistance line up here. Honestly, this scares me a bit because there's a high probability of USDCAD to start to sell off, because you know USDCAD keep on going up and up since August. Now I think it's a high time for USDCAD to go down, but as a trend follower, I'll keep on buying until that happens. I've made enough profits. Now jumping onto GBPJPY, I'm looking for buying opportunities here with a risk reward of 3.84 up to the way up here of 149.402. Now I don't need further explanation for that because it's a very simple one. You see we're in this consolidation phase here, and kind of price tends to behave very well along the lines here, and is very, very good. US Japanese yen, I'm looking for a trade here with a risk reward of, I think that was 5. That's 5.87. Wow, that's insane. Now buying opportunity down here of 112.427. with a take profit of 113.769 ish. Now that's a risk reward of 5.8, and that's important because 5.8 risk reward that can give you a lot of profits with a very well squeezed stop loss. So running over to Euro Japanese yen, I'm looking for a sell at 129.429 all the way down to these levels here of 1.27001. Now the reason why this has been acting as a very strong support level over time, so I do suspect this is gonna be again the support level for this pair. Now the risk reward here is fairly good one of 2.09. Probably I think we could squeeze that all the way down here. So the risk reward of 3.28 is our. Now let me just squeeze it up there. The risk reward of 1.81 fairly too. Now that's one of my tech trade I always do. Jumping on to that's it for today, for this Sunday, and this for the coming week. That's your weekly forecast, guys. I'll try to make it extremely simple, extremely interesting for you guys, because I know your attention span is really low like mine. So having said that, take that as your trading educational key levels for the coming week. This is not signal providing service, it's just educational purpose video. Now you go out there, trade with a lot of care. Now that you take it from what I mean with you trade with care, it means with a very strong risk reward. That's the risk management strategy, because trading is not about profit. Trading is about protecting the downside. If you can be able to protect the downside over the long run, you can make very good stable returns. So that's it for you guys this week. I hope you have amazing late week ahead. Now remember, guys, just follow us on Instagram, Bongo Forex space down there, Forex. We are 720 followers. Our YouTube channel is Bongo Forex, and our website is bongoforex.co.uk. And plus, just tell us how you feel about the website. Do you like it or not? And just give us an opinion. We love your feedback. Remember, our offices are here in United Kingdom, so don't worry about that. Just give a shout out. Just text us, email us through the website, and we'll be happy to answer you. Thank you guys, and have a great week ahead. Cheers.